Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to use the telescopic pruning shears and the pole saw from Milwaukee. And if you like Milwaukee products, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below and give a like to this video. So today we have a tree behind us that has some small limbs and just a little bit bigger limbs. So we're going to use both tools and show you how they work in action. So don't go anywhere. So there you have it guys, the telescopic pruning shears and the Milwaukee pole saw. This will reach up to 13 feet extended, and this one will go 10 feet extended. So you're getting a big reach up in the tree without having to have a ladder. So you can see here, I would say that's a good 15, 16 feet effortless. We're about 2 or 3 feet under the wire, so we're safe, we're good, we're not getting close to it, nothing's connected, even when we're pruning. So make sure you check out the other videos on the telescopic pole saw, as well as the shears, the unboxing, check that out. There's another video on the pruning shears, and there'll be another video pop up here on the left or right. Make sure you check out that video too. And anyways, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for stopping by. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. See you in the next video. Take care. God bless.